everyone, and welcome back to day 3 of learning Jesus Strong and Kind by City Alight. So today I'm not going to describe any signs because I did that in the first 2 videos. Instead, we're going to walk through this whole song from top to bottom in advance of us signing with the music tomorrow. Okay, so remember that I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, there is a link to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so from the top, Jesus said that if, you're tapping it twice, I thirst, I should come to him. Remember, we're signing I should go to him. Okay? No one else can satisfy, I should come to him. Now, if you want to sign should, remember it's like this, okay? I should. And then verse number 2. Jesus said that if I'm weak, I should come to him. No one else can be my strength. I should come to him. And now that verse that we learned yesterday, for the Lord is good and faithful. He will keep us day and night. We can always run to Jesus. Jesus, strong and kind. Okay, moving on to verse 3. Jesus said that if I fear, I should come to him. No one else can be my shield. I should come to him. Back to the verse. For the Lord is good and faithful. He will keep us day and night. We can always run to Jesus. Jesus, strong and kind. Okay, and now moving on to that verse number 4. Jesus said that if I search, if I'm lost, he will come to me. Now come, you only have to have one, but sometimes for emphasis, I'm doing the 2 there. He will come to me. And he showed me on that cross that he will come to me. For the Lord, back to the chorus, is good and faithful. He will keep us day and night. We can always run to Jesus. Jesus, strong and kind. And then that repeats the verse one more time. For the Lord is good and faithful. He will keep us day and night. We can always run to Jesus. Jesus, strong and kind. And then that last line one more time. Jesus, strong and kind. And that's everything, guys. So practice this one as many times as you need to. And when you're ready, we will sign with the music. Bye. God commands us in the Bible to not be discouraged. And I just want to remind you that God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands. So stick with it. You'll get there. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.